The struggle is real, but I tell you what, reading is fundamental. All right, so it says insert, peel off foil, twist and close. We're gonna insert. So I got it together eventually. Just showing you this part of it so you can see that it's a pretty clunky piece of plastic and it's not as straightforward to put together, but hopefully you watch this first before you purchase your own so that you know exactly what to do. Alright, so now the star of the show, and which is why I know you're here, we are going to now review Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. And you know I'm going to give you a demo first, so here goes.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.
So I've already washed my hands, guys, and just want to scoop up the whole thing, how good it feels. A little bit more. My hands are clean. Okay, so smells so good. My eyes used to be so dry, I don't even have that problem anymore. Come in a little closer. A little 3D action. Packaging. It was a little tricky for me to understand how to put this together. But as they say, reading is definitely fundamental, because on the box it did mention that you are to peel off the foil before attempting to close it. Because this side opens, you just assume that this side will open as well. And I'm happy to say that it wasn't just me who was struggling, because after testing it out myself, I definitely went to other reviews and watched them and like, okay, everyone's struggling, but pretty much, or people that I watched. So let me not say everyone. You can see it just comes off like that. And then when you re-up, you just buy the actual cream. So now let's talk about what they claim. They claim that this is an overnight recovery gel cream. You do get 1.7 ounces. This is definitely a gel cream. I personally enjoy gel moisturizers, gel creams, that jelly consistency that I love of this. Anything gel, you basically got me. In Rihanna's interview where she did her nighttime routine, she said she used her SPF at night. That never sat well with me. And no, I didn't always use my SPF at night. I didn't really want to waste my SPF when I am going to sleep and there is no sun. I do feel like this one is more moisturizing, and I do feel like this gives you that gel feel, and it's really nice to sleep in. When you wake up, you pretty much look like you went to sleep, just like this. You can tell it doesn't have any SPF. It doesn't feel like it's protecting you. You definitely get that in this one. If you're somebody who likes thick moisturizing creams at night, probably not that thick moisturizing cream, but it's more of a light moisturizer. So you can see the difference. Not gonna waste it, but just so you can see. So you got that. Always use your spatula. I actually formulate handmade cosmetics, launching soon, so you can check that out, fallonfabrini.com. And I do offer a spatula on some of my products. So when I opened it up and I saw the spatula, I was so very happy. Overnight, during the day. All right, so usually overnight, right? And then if I use this one, this is a sunscreen now. Sunscreen moisturizer, because a lot of her products are 2-in-1. A slight color, a slight pink color. Definitely not a white cast. So you see how that is. And instantly this side feels like gel water, and this side already feels like it's covering and it's more moisturizing. Okay, depending on how long this lasts will determine if I'm going to buy this again. This is a $40 cream and a $36 refillable. You know what it is? I think we just got spoiled of how easy the other products just twist and twist. Just okay. And then, oh, I gotta take the whole thing off. Then I gotta put the whole thing back. Then I gotta clean the spatula, put the spatula back. In reality, this is pretty much what we do with everything else. We take off the cap, right? Alright, try it out and get your own opinion and see if it works for you or not. I am a regular consumer trying out the Fenty Skin brand. I love the Fenty brand as is, and these are my thoughts. Oh, I think we got it, friends. Oh, this is the most I've actually put on because of the video, and you know what? I'm just gonna keep telling myself that's why I keep applying this thing. But I am gonna stop because I want this to last, right? And that's it. That is a wrap for my Fenty skincare line review. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting on the products for you. I mean, recording it for you. Stick around, stay tuned. More product reviews on the way. We've just made videos on rice water for hair growth, so we're going to see how that's working or if it's not. So go ahead and check out that video too. Click on our playlist. We have all type of videos. We are a lifestyle channel. We do have an exciting skincare and cosmetics line launch, Fallon Fabrini. Check out fallonfabrini.com below. If you have any questions on the line, either one of these products, go ahead and leave those down below. I'll be more than happy to share my thoughts with you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The more you like and the more you comment, the more YouTube will share this video with other people who have similar interests as you. Share this video with a friend. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss a weekly episode. And I will see you on the next video. Stay beautiful and blessed.